Hello everyone. Today I want to talk a little bit about the landing gear. I did do a video on how to put this together, but being new at videotaping stuff, it just didn't turn out very well. So I'm just going to explain it a little bit. The landing gear comes in 6 pieces. You got the long skid down here at the bottom, and then you got this here. Let me see if I can point to it. This here part of the landing gear, and it goes to the center section, and it slips into each other, and then it goes down to the other landing gear. Well, the part that I wanted to explain was when we put this together, there's 2 different ways that you can do this, and I'm going to suggest a better way than what I did. I had taken this gear and I kind of pushed this and snapped it down over the gear, and I did the same on this side here. It kind of just clicked in as I push it, snapped in, and then I just line up the holes. Okay, what I found out, which is going to be a little bit better, is if you take the landing gear and you start at the end, start at this end over here, and stick the landing gear through this bracket, you can slide, let's say we'll start with the front one, you can slide the front all the way down to here and then line up your bolts, and then you don't scratch the paint when you're snapping it in, because it is a tight fit, and it just works better if you start at this one end over here, start at that end right here, and then slide it in, slide it all the way down to here, and then line up your bolts. And then the other gear, this one here, we're going to just slide it onto the tube and line up the bolts there. That way you save from scratching the paint, because when you snap this in place, it is pretty tight. You can do it because that's what I did, but I think it's better if you're just careful, you can just slide it all the way down. Now you can do that on both sides here, and it seems to work better. Same thing on this side. Just take and snap it, not snap it, but slide it all the way down the tube and then line it up. And then eventually here you're going to set the whole frame on top, the whole airframe is going to be set on top of the skid right here. So I just want to do this short video to explain that. I did have some videotaping of it, but it just didn't turn out to my satisfaction. So there again, it just snaps into that bracket, and you put the bolts in, then you're all set. So talk to you in the next video.